Hi guys, in this question we are asked to solve for x given that square root of x plus 28 is equals to 2 minus x. So for us to solve this we need to get rid of this square root. How do we get rid of the square root? We square both sides. So we are going to have square root of x plus 28 all squared is equals to 2 minus x all squared. So if we square this side, then automatically we remove the square root. So we are going to be left with x plus 28 on this side is equal to, then if we simplify this, we are going to get 4 minus 4x plus x squared. If we simplify this, I understand you guys know how to simplify this expression. So from here, let us take everything to that side. It means we are going to be left with a 0 is equal to, I'm going to start with an x squared here, then minus 4x, then if I take x to that side, it's going to be minus x, then plus 4, this 4, then if I take 28 to the side, it's going to be minus 28, meaning that I'll be having 0 is equals to x squared minus 4x minus x is minus 5x, then 4 minus 28 is minus 24. So just to write it properly, this is the same as saying x squared minus 5x minus 24 is equal to 0. So now we look for two numbers that if we multiply we get minus 24, if we add we get minus 5. Factors of 24 and minus 5, those numbers are 8 and 3, but then 8 must be negative, because if we say minus 8 times 3 we get minus 24, minus 8 plus 3 we get 5. So since the coefficient of x squared here is 1, we come just create two brackets is equals to 0, then we put these factors but respecting their signs, x plus 3 is equals to 0. So therefore either x minus 8 is equals to 0, meaning that x is equals to 8, or x plus 3 is equals to 0, meaning that x is equals to minus 3. But then what we need to do is we need to go and verify our answers by substituting these values here and see if they balance our equation. So we're going to say square root of 8 plus 28 is equal to 2 minus 8. So we get square root of 36, which is equals to minus 6 here if we simplify. So it means 6 is not equal to minus 6. So this answer does not satisfy our equation. So we come here and say therefore x is not equal to 8. What about this one? We just come again and substitute. So we are going to have square root of minus 3 plus 28 is equals to 2 minus 3. So square root of this one is square root of 25, because minus 3 plus 28 is 25 is equals to 5, because 2 minus 3 is 5. So square root of 5 of 25 is 5 is equals to 5. So 3 satisfies our equation, meaning that x is equal to minus 3.